Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Directive 8020 and your game keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Directive 8020 crashing on your computer easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you AMD first, afterwards I'll show you Intel and Nvidia. You're going to click onto resources and support, click drivers then. You're going to scroll down, click onto graphics here, and then you're going to click Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. Click on your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers here. Now I'll show you Intel. You're going to go on to intel.com here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to support here at the top left corner of the page. Click download center. You're going to click on to graphics here. And then you're going to search for your graphics card here. Intel Arc A750 for example. You're going to click onto it and download these latest drivers on your computer. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to go on to nvidia.com, click on to drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphics card along with your model and your operating system. Click find then. Once it's done looking for your drivers, now you're going to go ahead and install the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers on your computer. Once you're done installing the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your games platform. So Steam for me, you're going to right click on Directive 8020, go into properties, you're going to go into install files and then click verify integrity of game files on Directive 8020. Once you do that, now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to browse here, or you're going to go to the Directive 8020 games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, from file A6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Directive 8020 here. You're going to go into binaries, Win64, and then you're going to have Directive 8020 exe here. You're going to right click on it, click properties, go into compatibility. You're going to click run this program as an administrator and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.